This is your project. You are asking so application Python using credential login authentication. So this is the thing. So that is the Python application is possible 100%. So graphical user interface is nothing but GU application Tinker. Okay, so we have to some packages. So mainly we can use three packages. So you are asking use Google authentication, Facebook, and Gmail authentication, like Google authentication portable application. So whatever it may be, your requirement is 100% is successful in my side. So I will show the execution before I have to show the execution of process. You have to some requirements in this your project. So please go on installation python.org, go on the website link. After that you have to download the some version, whatever it may be version you have to download. All version it is support except 2.0 versions. Okay, please download the 3.0 version, whatever it may 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, whatever it may be requirements in your system requirement you have to download. Okay, either 64-bit or 32-bit you have to download. So presently I am using 3.6.9. okay, 3.6.7 I am using. Okay, so if you want you can download. Okay, it is 100%, it is 100% working, friend. Thank you. So this is the thing. Okay. Mm, so coming to our project, this is your project. Okay, this is your project. So already in my system download some packages. Okay, without these packages we can't get the data output. Okay, GUI application, pip install selenium, pip install WebDriver managers. It is supported the Chrome, Google authentication permission. Okay, so please download that thing. Okay, whatever it may be requirement, it is 100% success and working in my system. So now I'm execution in front of you. Please enter your username, user email ID and password. Okay, in my system requirement I'm giving. Okay, this is my Google authentication, and okay I will change the password and mail ID. Okay, don't, it is not a permanent. Okay, okay client. Okay, this thing it is opening the web application. Okay, if you want you can go and check it. Okay, after that you have to log in. This is the GU application graphical user authentication. Suppose if you have the account in Facebook or Gmail authentication, it will be open. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, if you want you can use it. So this you are using first time, it will be download the automatical. If it is not validate the user ID and password, it's not downloading. Okay, thank you. I hope you are understanding this project. So I will show the another way of format. Okay, just 1 minute. Yes, so this is also Jupyter notebook where you can use Python or R language, whatever it may be. So I'm using the Python programming language. So you have to install this way. Suppose there is no in your system Python.org software. I mean ideally program. So it is also ideally 100%. You can use VS Code, Python, Vim, bracket, whatever it may be ideally. So you can use Jupyter notebook, Anaconda, whatever it may be. You can use 100%. It is working this project. Okay, so this is a system requirement. So if you don't have any requirements, just use it. WebDriver and sleeve Chrome driver manager and option. Without this thing, Chrome driver, you can't get the Gmail account and Facebook account is a credential. Okay, first time you are login, it will be downloaded automatically. So you have to check here. It is automatically downloaded in my system drivers. Okay, so this is the thing. So Chrome. Okay, I hope you are understand this project also same thing. Okay, suppose I'm giving this thing. So enter it is asking email ID, same thing. Okay, once we have to develop this thing, after that it is execution. Okay, and ask for password. So it is downloading the drivers. Yes, it is showing here. Okay, check it. Okay, okay, it is open an account and email ID, so enter. Okay, check it. It is socket downloaded. After that you have to give in the login authentication. It is connected to the Facebook authentication. Okay, once the user ID, mail ID, both are password, both are same account, both are valid, so it will be open. Both are does not valid, it's not open. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this project is well. So it is a nice project and mini project about your project. So this is the latest we recently I checked this one, this type of project. So this is a good project about your project software web application using Python. It is a trending language, Python. Almost anybody using. So some companies are also using. So thank you. I hope you are understand very well. Thank you. Nice project. Have a nice day.